close ko pa naman yung parents niya. Oo.
Okay lang po, hindi naman po sila matampuhin.
Hindi, no, hindi, maka-estabi nila ako. Sabihin, tinanong ko yung mga anak ng mga ibang artista, hindi ko natanong. Pero Andre, how's your dad and mom? Yeah, gano'n sila ka-supportive? Ang dami mong tinatawagan ba nila lagi si Boss Vic? Kasi parang sunod-sunod ang show mo, ha?
Opo, yun po, blessed po talaga. Tsaka very thankful po dahil binibigyan po ng opportunity ni Boss Vic. Kaya very thankful po. Thank you po Boss Vic kung makikita niyo po ito at napapanood niyo. Thank you po sobra. Thank you po sa tiwala. Tsaka yun po, si Mommy po, si Daddy, okay naman po yung relationship namin. Si Mommy very supportive po. Lagi po nagtatanong kamusta yung set, kamusta yung mga eksena, ganyan. Si Daddy naman po, lagi lang akong pinupush na be on time. Be on time, no? Tapos pinupush na lang po ako na maging like ready po sa trabaho, tsaka maging professional po.
Napaka-supportive parents, di ba? Pero eto kasi si Bobby Riquentina, nakalimutan niya itanong kanina, no? Pinasa na sa akin yung mic. Ikaw, kasi ang dami mga Viva stars dati pa, mga nagbabalik showbiz din. Ikaw ba, sino raw sa mga Viva stars before na gusto mo maging makasama sa project? Siyempre, although ang mom and dad mo more identified sa sa Regal si Juan Pondok daw ba, dahil dating Viva Star, gusto mo makasama sa project?
Sure.
Pinapatanong din.
Sure po, why not po?
Kilala mo siya ng personal?
Yes po, yes po.
Close kayo?
Pwede na po, pwede na.
Talaga? Ayan, maraming magsusulat. Mas marami ka magiging article. Ano yung pinapatanong? Ano ang reaction mo sa rumored relationship ng mom mo at ni Wanmi?
Enjoy.
Ay,
Opo, kasi kung mukha naman po silang masaya So kung masaya naman po sila, enjoy po. You have all my blessing.
Yan, thank you. Yan, hindi na ako kakabahan. TV, babatiin na ako ni Aiko at saka ni Jo Marie. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, okay. Alright, next. From People's Journal, Philippine Star, and ABS-CBN Entertainment, we have Leia Salterio.
Hi, good evening. Hi, Phoebe.
Hi.
I would like to ask Direk first and the writer. Hi. Direk, how did this project land on your lap?
Nagulat din po ako, tinawagan po ako ni Boss Vic. Sinabi, Bobby, ikaw mag-direct ng Head University.
Oh, alright.
And there are a lot of my projects kasi na gusto ni Boss Vic pagdating po sa treatment.
Yes.
At nakita niya na bagay na may apply ko po sa project na to. So that's how I got it.
So when did you start film shooting?
We started
Last year?
this January.
This January
This January lang. Ay, actually, hindi. December pa lang. Around November 20. We had a few days before the Christmas season. And then, nag-break po kami, then nag-resume ng
So nakailang episodes na kayo, Direk?
Sa ngayon, almost, yung malapit ng magsara, mga almost 5 episodes po.
So ilang pa to go? Gano'ng katagal pa?
We have a total of 18 episodes po.
18
So,
pa.
we have nasa day 12 po kami. We have around 30
And then,
shooting days.
So when is this airing?
This airs po on the first episode is gonna be on Viva 1 sa February 6.
Alright.
Apa.
Thank
And
you,
then,
Direk.
magkakaroon din po kami sometime this January ng primer, parang behind the scenes, the making of Head University.
Alright. Thank you. Yung
Thank you.
writer,
Si
sorry,
Kim po.
Kim?
Apa, Night in Black.
Yeah. Did Viva buy the rights from you for this, for Health University? And how long ago did you write the story?
Actually, sunod ko po yung story nito for, I think, 6 months.
Last year.
No, 2000.
Matagal na.
2016.
Wow, 10 years ago. Okay. Tapos, paano napunta sa Viva?
Actually, kinontak po ako ng Wattpad. na
Wattpad, alright.
meron pong interested na adapt sa story ko and Viva po. And natuwa naman po kasi napanood ko na po yung mga film ng Viva and maganda po yung mga produce nila.
How last year yun?
Opo, last year.
Last year. Thank you. Yung tatlong showbiz royalties. Hello. Hi. Good afternoon. Good evening na pala. Sorry. Yeah. How did you feel now that you're moving into the same landscape or same area, same of your mom and dad? That your mom and dad starred in or became known? Yung tatlo.
Basically, my mom is not an actress po.
Oh, your dad or
Yeah, my dad
parents,
naman talaga. Based on that naman po, si Daddy, really supportive naman po siya sa ginagawa ko ngayon. Pag may tinatanong ako sa kanya, tinuturuan niya rin po ako. Nandiyan din po si Tito Ray PJ Abeliana, para sumuporta po sa akin. Especially si Ate Carla din po minsan tumatawag sa akin or mag-chat sa akin for kung kinakamusta yung work ko and everything. So yeah, thank you so much po.
Alright. Hi, Andre.
Hello po, good
Happy New
evening po.
Year.
Happy New Year po. How do I feel po as a royalty po? Is that po the question?
Yes, that you're now moving into the same area, realm that your dad became known. Dad and mom.
Ako po, I feel very blessed and in a way po, I feel pressured kasi they're from the same industry and I feel like I'm gonna get judged by my actions na hindi, kung hindi dikit sa kanila or whatever na parang hindi man comparable. I feel like it's pressuring na baka mamaya it may come out na hindi ako as good as them or hindi ako parang ano to? Anak ba talaga to? Ampun ba to? Yung ganun po. So may ganung feeling
Ampun
po.
talaga.
Opo. Yes po.
Thank you. Yes.
Hello po. I think for me, it's big shoes to fill po. I also feel very pressured, but also very honored and grateful that I have this role already. It's unbelievable because I also didn't expect na papasok ako sa showbiz.
You're the third generation na your family.
Third generation
Yes.
po. Yes po. So it's really big shoes to fill. I feel tremendous amount of pressure, but pressure that I'm challenged and I want to make them proud of me. I really want them to be proud of me in anything that I do, showbiz, school, everything else. Thank you.
Alright, good luck. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, next up, we just had a little switcheroo. Let's hear first from Aster Amoyo from TikTok, People's Journal at PSN.
Kasali pala ako dito. Anyway, sa lahat muna, congratulations for this new project. Doon muna sa dalawang leads natin, kay Hart at saka kay Zeki. Kanina natatakal yung pressure. Kasi kayo ang pinaka-center characters of this series. So how does it feel now? At saka may pressure ba sa inyong dalawa?
Until now po, there's still a lot of pressure, but I'm thankful for the pressure because it's what pushes us po. Yeah, there's still pressure, definitely, but I'm thankful for it.
Same po.
Thank you.
Si Hart.
Of course, I still feel pressure until today. I feel pressure now even. Just like what Zeke said po, we're thankful for the pressure because it pushes us to do well.
Follow up lang sa inyong dalawa. Kasi kung pagbabasehan yung mga previous Vivo One series, yung mga ginagawang love teams, nagiging sila. Or nagkakaroon ng special, what you might call that, friendship sa kanilang pagitan. In your case, sa inyong dalawa, ano ang nakikita nyo sa isa't isa?
Definitely not po. Hart here has a boyfriend.
Binuking naman.
His name is Renny J. She has a partner, and I 100% respect that po. Pero we're cool. We're friends.
How about you? How about you, Seki? Are you taken?
I'm single po. I'm single.
Okay.
I choose to focus on work.
Alright, thanks for being honest. Si Kim muna, yung writer muna. Ano ang naging inspirasyon mo para mabuo mo itong Hell University?
Yung inspiration ko talaga dito yung napanood ko na The Purge movie. Actually, pinanood po namin yan sa school. Tapos after po na nagkaroon kami ng mga biroan ng mga friends ko na what if magkaroon ng purge sa school, saan kami magtatago. Parang doon po talaga umikot yung inspiration ko.
Anong pakiramdam mo ngayon na nakikita mo na nabibigyan na ng totoong buhay yung mga characters na binuo mo?
Actually, it still feels surreal po. Actually, pwede ba makapaniwala na andito kami lahat eh. Hindi ako makapaniwala na yung mga character na sa imagination ko lang dati, totoo na. But I'm proud of them and alam ko na magagampanan talaga nila yung roles.
Thank you. And of course, kay Direk. Direk, congratulations. So happy for you.
Thank you, Tita Aster.
How does it feel also? I think if I'm not mistaken, this is the very first series mo sa Viva One.
Yes po, Tita.
Okay. These are all young people. So, paano mo sila ginaid? Paano mo sila, how do you call this, minotivate? Especially na parang ikaw yung tatay-tatayan, syempre, ng project na to.
Opo, we had workshops naman po and ano po, I don't mince words, real talk palagi po sa kanila. And ayun nga, kung masasaktan sila sandali. Pero nakita naman nila after kung sabunin sila, nakita naman po nila na para sa kanila din po kasi yun. Kasi okay na lahat pagkatapos. Pagkatapos silang pagkatapos ng eksena, ayun, tapos na yung eksena, okay, good. Sinasabihan, hindi din naman po ako madamot sa words of encouragement and affirmation sa kanila. Tong generation na po na to, usually gusto nilang marinig kung bakit bang ginagawa nila at the same time kung mabuti silang ginawa, gusto nilang marinig yun and pinaparinig ko po sa kanila yun. And I'm proud of each of them.
Thank you. And my last question, kasi alam ko marami pang magtatanong. Siguro kay Zach, kay Andre, and of course si Gabby. Gabby, I'm so happy for you. Nakita ko nanay mo, tinagurian pong stage mom. Syempre, natakol na nga dito because you are, yung mga parents nyo are of course popular personalities before you. So, natanong din kayo about the pressure. Ang itatanong ko lang sa inyong tatlo, sinong nag-encourage you? Or kayo ba ito, on your own free will, na pumasok din sa, or sundan ang footsteps ng parents nyo?
I think it's collaboration po. Because I didn't make this decision on my own. I had my parents to guide me because they were the ones there first. I will always listen to their advice naman po, and I trust them that this would be the right opportunity for me po. Yeah.
Ganda ni Gabby. And of course, Andre!
Hello po, Tita.
It's nice to see you again.
Nice to see you po. I guess gusto mo mauna? Gusto mo mauna ka na, pre? Jack po.
Jack, your dad is may anak-anakan. I co-manage him with Viva.
Oh, really?
Okay, and of course, good luck to you. You're being managed by OGDS, Viva.
Yes po, yes.
Oh yes, okay, good luck to you. So, anong sagot mo?
Sa akin po, actually nung bata po ako, hindi naman po talaga ako gusto mag-artista kasi I was really focused on basketball. Pero may mga times po kasi na sinasama kami ni Daddy sa taping, sa Pangako Sa'yo, nakikita ko po yung mga ginagawa nila. Tapos bigla lang may nag-click po sa akin na parang gusto kong matry. Gusto ko po, parang interesado po akong gawin siya. And thankful naman po ako kasi supportive naman po yung dad ko sa na gawin ko po tong karera po na to. So yeah, I'm really grateful po na nandito na po ako sa industry. Yeah. Thank you so much po.
And good luck to you.
Thank you so much, Tita.
Ayun po, Tita. yung nag-encourage po sa akin si mommy. Pero si mommy po kasi nung unang beses niya po ako in-encourage, more on pilit po yung gusto, parang ako napipilitan po. Tapos parang hindi ko po siya talaga trip. Tapos nung pandemic po, yung lolo ko po, he passed away po. Yun yung huli niyang halubilin sa akin na parang sabi niya po sa akin, "Hoy, hindi lahat nabibigyan ng opportunity na meron ka. So bakit hindi mo subukan?" So sinubukan ko po ulit and I fell in love with it po. And from that moment on, gusto ko na po siyang gawin. And every time I work po, I want to work and work and work po. So yun po yung nag-encourage sa akin.
Thank you so much. Good luck.